Hello everyone, welcome to the third CIVE391 Soils Lab experiment. The topic of this experiment will be grain size analysis using the mechanical method. As it was for the previous two experiments, your lab manual, Section 1, Soils Lab, is a required resource for the completion of this experiment. For this experiment, the following pieces of equipment are required. A set of ASTM standard sieves, sieve pan, lid, and brush, an aluminum tray, a mechanical sieve shaker, balance sensitive to 0.1 grams, and lastly, a soil sample. With the equipment list out of the way, let's get right into the procedure itself. In order to begin, first obtain a representative oven-dry quantity of material of adequate mass depending on the maximum particle size. A suggested sample size is 250 grams for concrete sand and between 650 and 750 grams for gravel. Next, obtain an aluminum tray, place it on the balance, and zero off the balance. Empty the contents into the tray and determine its mass to the nearest tenth of a gram. Now, nest the sieves together with the largest mesh opening at the top and successive smaller mesh openings on the bottom. A receiving pan is also placed beneath the sieve with the smallest mesh opening. A typical sieve stack is suggested in Table 4 in your manual. Empty the soil into the stack of sieves from the top and cover with the sieve lid. Mount the stack of sieves onto the automatic sieve shaker and shake for 10 minutes. You should now determine the mass of soil retained on each sieve by emptying the contents into the metal tray and weighing on the balance. Empty as much of the soil as possible into the tray using the sieve brush. Record all measurements on the datasheet provided. Lastly, produce the grain size distribution curve on the semi-logarithmic graph provided in your manual. This third experiment, grain size analysis, the mechanical method, is now completed. Next, we will investigate grain size analysis using the hydrometer method.